everyone, welcome to Botany Insider. So this particular video is regarding the most important topic, and that is about how to revise. See, as you've already given the examination that was held on the 17th of February, and you have also seen your scorecard according to your performance. So now you all must have understood that revision was very important. So now for solving out this particular problem, for solving out this particular issue that the students face, which is about the revision, I have tried to curate a complete 50 classes crash course for the revision purpose of the CSIR UGC-NET Lifesciences examination. We will have in total 50 classes for all the units except for the animal physiology, because I am not from this particular background. Except for this unit, all the other 12 units would be covered. We will have a complete discussion of all the bullet points for the most important topics of all the units in a systematic manner, so that you can revise these concepts very nicely. We will have in total 5 classes in 1 week, and we will have in total 50 classes for 10 weeks continuously. If you wish to join this particular crash course, I have provided the complete information for the same in the description box. I have tried to make this particular crash course very structured. We will have live sessions. So if you find any difficulty, you can ask in that particular session, and if not that, we will have a doubt session for anything which you wish to have your doubts cleared. So it would be very beneficial for you if first you are trying to target the June 2022 examination, and also if you are starting off with your preparation, you will be able to understand that what are the main important points that you need to focus upon. If you wish to join the same, I have provided the complete information for the same in the description box. Check it out. You have to pay a minimal fees. You'll get a group link for the same, and then you can join that particular group for the crash course. All the presentations would be provided to you. We will have live classes 5 days a week. I'll provide the complete schedule. If you are interested, text me on the number given in the description box. You'll get the complete schedule. You'll get the complete information for the same, and we will be starting off with this particular crash course from the 28th of March. If you wish to join the same, the enrollment for the same starts today. You can join now and have your seat booked. We will have only a limited number of students in this particular crash course, so do not wait for the last minute and just join this particular crash course. You have to give 1 hour to the day in which the class would be held. You can easily get to revise all the important concepts of the units that you have targeted. In addition, if you wish to have the recorded sessions of the same as well, it would be provided to you personally, so do not worry about that. So you can join the live session, or you can have the recorded session for yourself, so that if you want, you can watch that particular session at the time suitable for you. So this was about the revision crash course for the CSIR UGC-NET Life Sciences examination. If you wish to join the same, pay the minimal amount. It is a very minimum amount for 50 classes. You'll get 50 live sessions, including the doubt sessions for your revision purpose. So thank you so much everyone for watching this video. I wish you all the very best. You have to just pay the minimal amount. Follow the instructions given in the description box, and you can have this particular crash course for yourself. Join this crash course, enhance your preparation, and also revise in a much smarter way. So thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Botany Insider, and also all the best for your preparation everyone. Bye.